The Goodman E3 error code indicates that your HVAC system's compressor has tripped its overcurrent protection. This is a safety mechanism designed to prevent damage to the compressor motor from excessive current draw. Essentially, the system detects that the compressor is pulling too many amps, usually 15 to 20 amps or higher, depending on the model, and shuts it down to avoid burnout. This can be caused by several factors, including a locked compressor rotor, a short circuit within the compressor motor, or an electrical imbalance. Recent diagnostic system updates and firmware improvements, such as version 3.2.1 released in Q3 2025 for select heat pumps, have helped to refine error code handling and reduce false positives by 15%. However, understanding the underlying cause is key to fixing the issue. Start by checking the supply voltage to ensure it's within 10% of the rated voltage, typically 208 to 230 volts. Low voltage can cause the compressor to draw excessive current. Next, inspect the wiring for any signs of damage, loose connections, shorts, or corrosion. Check continuity using your multimeter. Test the run capacitor for proper capacitance using a capacitance meter. It should match your unit's specifications, such as 40 to 60 microfarads for a 3-ton unit. Capacitor degradation is a common cause, accounting for 40% of E3 errors. Verify that the contactor is engaging properly. A faulty contactor can cause electrical issues leading to overcurrent. In areas prone to lightning strikes or voltage fluctuations, install surge protectors to prevent future issues. A California case study highlighted their importance. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consult a qualified HVAC technician.